Everybody keeps on telling me my shutter speed must be double my frame rate. Have you ever wondered why? So the main reason why your shutter speed must be double your frame rate is to just give more natural motion blur effect, if that makes sense. Essentially, when the shutter speed is double the frame rate, each frame is exposed to light for half the time between frames, creating a balanced amount of motion blur. I definitely did not Google or use ChatGPT any of this information. So essentially what it means is you'll just get a better motion blur effect on your film. So obviously with photography, it's a bit different. The lower the shutter speed, the more blur you'll get in your images. And the higher the shutter speed, the less blur you'll get in your images. I feel like people overthink the concept of shutter speed a lot of times. Yes, there is value in following the rule of thumb in filmmaking, but experiment if the environment allows you to. Experiment with the different shutter speeds to actually get to know your camera, get to know your settings, get to know different effects, your art, your creativity. So I'm very passionate about expressing your inner creativity because I feel like a lot of artists really get stuck on the do's and don'ts of filmmaking, the do's and don'ts of photography. In the end, it's art. If you're not shooting for a corporate event or some production, experiment, have fun with it. It really doesn't make or break your piece of freaking art, film. So that was part 1 of me sharing filmmaking information that I definitely did not Google or find on YouTube or did not definitely use ChatGPT for the script. So